Welcome to Quick Pit, and today we're gonna be working on our 1991 Toyota MR2. We just want to go pick it up not too long ago. This car has been sitting for 4 years, and we want to go pick it up in Arizona. And yeah, here it is. After I want to test the relay, the fuel pump relay, or I want to add power directly to the fuel pump and then see if we could hear anything. Because if we do hear the fuel pump, then it's gonna have like an electrical issue. We're testing the fuel pump out, and so pretty much we weren't able to figure out which pin was the one that was going to the fuel pump. We found the relay, so we're putting power directly to the fuel pump, and it's making noise. Yeah, so.
Bro, come on, bro. Alright, whatever.
So we got
Freaking
my little bro helping us out right here.
freaking bad, dude.
Good kid, huh? Don't know how to use a bed. No,
Jesus.
we got stuck on a crack.
Right there. Stripped up. Alright. Next paycheck, dude, we need to get freaking safety goggles.
We have some. What are you talking about?
Some better ones.
I have. Oh my god, bro.
You don't like the ones I got, man? All fucking scratched up. What do you mean you can't see?
I have two more right there.
Yeah.
All right. My brother went out of commish. His creeper went out. Thing broke. I was able to disconnect two of the coolant hoses from the front of the car. Now I'm gonna go ahead and work my way to the ones in the back. This is the fuel pump for the MR2. No memes.
Alright, this is how it looks like going in.
This is the fuel pump, I don't know,
Assembly.
bracket assembly thing. Right, for the fuel pump. Alright, now we just poured some white vinegar, because we saw a YouTube video. White vinegar, 2 gallons specifically. And honestly, it wasn't enough, but 2 gallons and water. So we're gonna leave all the items in there. So this is the fuel pump. All right, look.
Alright, guys, this is the fuel.
Yeah, we just installed the brand new fuel pump. Brand new fuel pump for the MR2. And then we painted the tank right there. Got the whole tank painted. Looks nice. My brother's gonna go ahead and install it. So it's kind of a pain in the ass. Or that fuel filter right there, man. That fuel filter right there, man. It was hard to put on. It's mainly because it was rusted, huh?
Yeah. No, well, that piece that was like poking me.
Oh yeah.
What? About to start it up with no gas?
Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna put gas in the biatch. They're all ashy, dusty. Yep. So 0. Last stream, bro. You hear it?
Yeah.
This is the perfect one, SpongeBob. Check to see if anything's leaking. Or
Any leaks?
I think it might be from the fuel filters because those bronze washers usually always tend to like leak. I forgot I saw some dude like fix that problem or something. I think he like hammered it like, flat or something. It was one smack and then put it back on and then it sealed better. Moment of truth. And so the first thing we're gonna listen for is the buzz.
I didn't hear the pump.
Come on, man.
Ready?
All right.
Oh, want to?
All right, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. It only took us about like 3 months to fix that. So, yeah, we finally got it started. So, yeah, stay tuned for the next video where we're gonna start working, go more in depth into the engine, work on the cooling system, work on drivability issues, transmission fluid, all types of fluid services and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for all that.